Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Learn how to fix no sound issues on Windows 11. So trust me, after doing this, for most of us, this issue will be fixed and you will be a happy camper. In the search icon, type control and you will find control panel, the best match. The moment you open control panel, it should look like this. And if it doesn't, then go to view by and select the large icons. Once you do that, we have a lot of options and we are looking for sound. And I will click on that. You need to see how many speakers you have, which all the default speakers. So whatever the default speaker according to you should be, just do a right click and click on set as default. Then we need to do a double click and then go to levels and see if it is at least 100, and it should not be like this. All right, so please make sure it is not muted and then go to advanced section, enable audio enhancements. You can simply uncheck that and click on apply and OK. Once it is done, close this window and do a right click on the sound icon if you have it. Just do a right click and go to open volume mixer. We will go to output device and from here select the right output device, and it should not be muted like this. If it is muted, then uncheck it. So once you select the output device, your sound should come and all the apps should have the button right there at the right hand side. All right, so this is how you can fix the no sound problem, and do let me know in the comment section if you are able to fix that. There is one more tip. Just do a right click and click on sound settings, and here as well see the output device. So once you check that yes, output device is correctly selected, not muted, and levels are good, it should play sound. So Windows 11 sound issues, sound problem will be definitely fixed. Do let me know in the comment section if you're able to fix this problem, and I'll be glad if you hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.